Gold is a precious metal that has captivated humanity for centuries due to its lustrous beauty and enduring value. While gold mining traditionally involves extracting the metal from ore deposits deep within the earth, it is possible to recover gold from a surprising source: old electronics. This process, known as electronic waste, e-waste, recycling, has gained attention in recent years as a way to recover valuable metals and reduce the environmental impact of electronic disposal. Understanding e-waste. Electronic devices like smartphones, computers, and circuit boards contain small amounts of gold, typically in the form of gold-plated connectors and components. Over time, as these devices become obsolete or non-functional, they are often discarded, contributing to the growing problem of electronic waste. However, this e-waste also presents an opportunity to recover gold and other precious metals through a process known as urban mining. Safety first. Before delving into the process of extracting gold from electronics, it is essential to emphasize safety. Handling electronic components can expose you to hazardous materials, including heavy metals and chemicals. Always wear appropriate protective gear, work in a well-ventilated area, and follow safety guidelines meticulously. Identifying gold-containing components. The first step in e-waste gold extraction is identifying the components that contain gold. Some common sources include: 1. Connectors. Look for gold-plated connectors on circuit boards, cables, and memory modules. 2. IC chips. Some integrated circuit IC chips contain gold bonding wires or gold-plated leads. 3. Fingers. These are the gold-plated contact points on memory sticks and some circuit boards. Disassembly. Carefully disassemble the electronic device to access the gold-containing components. Use appropriate tools and techniques to avoid damaging the components and to separate them from other materials. Chemical extraction. Once you have collected enough gold-containing components, the next step involves chemical extraction. There are several methods to do this, but one common approach is using a mixture of hydrochloric acid, HCl, and hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. This mixture, known as aqua regia, can dissolve gold. 1. Safety. Again, ensure you are working in a well-ventilated area and wearing protective gear. Aqua regia is corrosive and should be handled with care. 2. Dissolving. Place the gold-containing components in a suitable container and cover them with the aqua regia solution. Heat may be applied to accelerate the process. As the solution works, the gold will dissolve into it. 3. Precipitation. After the gold has dissolved, chemicals like sodium metabisulfite or oxalic acid can be used to precipitate the gold from the solution in the form of gold powder or flakes. Final steps. Once you have successfully precipitated the gold, it needs to be carefully collected, washed, and dried. You can then melt it down into a more familiar form, like a gold bar or coin, using appropriate equipment and safety precautions. Extracting gold from electronics at home is not only a fascinating DIY project but also a way to contribute to responsible e-waste recycling. However, it requires careful attention to safety and an understanding of the processes involved. Additionally, it's important to research and comply with any local regulations regarding precious metal recovery. As technology continues to advance, so does the potential for urban mining and the recovery of valuable resources from electronic waste.